Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, then of course I appreciate you coming back. It means the world to me when you watch my videos. I mean, it just feels good. It feels nice. Thank you so much for coming back and just being part of the Kwak fam. Now, if you aren't already part of the family, go ahead and click subscribe. If you're new here, my name is Sarah. Very nice to meet you, and let's start the video. Alright, so today's video is, if you can't tell, got some 4-leaf clovers on this side, or 4-leaf clover on this side, and got some greens going on. Got my green St. Patrick's Day t-shirt. Let me show you. So, see? Green. If you want to know how I got this really fun, really exciting green St. Patrick's Day theme makeup look, then sit tight, don't go anywhere, because we're about to start in any second. You guys, of course, St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, and what are we waiting for? We are ready to put on some St. Patrick's Day makeup. So, main color, main focus, of course, is the color green. Verde. Green. Alright? So, let's go in and start the eyes. I've got the foundation on. Foundation, I slapped on some L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. Focus, please. Focus. Focus. Thank you. Pro Glow foundation. And we put on some, what's this called? Some concealer, Maybelline concealer. Smacked on some brows with some Anastasia Brow Duo Powder. And of course, tamed those brows down with my all-time favorite, you guys already know, Chella Clear Brow Gel. Alright, moving on. Eyes. So, for the eyes, we are going in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. You guys know this is one of my favorite palette of all time. Affordable, plenty of colors, more than enough, beautiful. So, I have misplaced the name card, so bear with me. You know what? Let me go find it real quick. Ta-da! Found it! Alright, so we got our name card. Yay! Hooray! Alright, so let's dive in and put on some colors on our eyes. Alright, so first I'm picking up the shade Silk Cream and just placing that all over my lids, right up to my brows. Beautiful. Alright, next we are going to dive in with the color, we're taking the color Butter and placing that on the sockets of our eyes. Light hand, windshield wiper, back and forth. Very, very simple back and forth look. Alright, so of course, St. Patrick's Day is all about the greens, so we need to emphasize on all the green colors. So I'm taking the shade taking the shade Jada and placing that like so. This is such a pretty color, you guys. I mean, yeah, I love this color. Alright, so now we're diving into some darker colors, some darker greens. Ooh. So, let's take the color Enchanted and place that on the outer corners of our eyes. So I'm going to switch brushes real quick and use a much smaller brush, if you can see that. My camera needs to focus, please. Please. Thank you. Alright, so just taking a much smaller brush, but I'm still dipping my brush into that Enchanted green color. Alright, the look is coming together, and this is what I have so far. It does look a tad bit messy, I'm not gonna lie. The green was, for some reason, not cooperating with me, but honestly, it's St. Patrick's Day, and when you go out, more than half the people, the entire nation, the entire world is gonna be drunk off their asses, so you're still gonna look good in their eyes, you're still gonna look good in your eyes, because you're gonna be partying with them and drinking it up, so who cares, right? You just wanna show off your green. That's the main part. So, we got the green going on. Now, if you're new here, well, let's backtrack. If you are a returning subscriber and you're already part of the Kwak fam, then if there's one thing you learned about me, that is glitter. I love glitter, shimmer, sparkles, love it all. So we gotta put on some glitter on our face, okay? So with that said, let's throw on some glitter. And now what palette have I been using lately? Obsessed with is none other than the Urban Decay Moon Dust palette. And this palette has the color called Light Ear. Beautiful green color. We're gonna go in and place that right on top of the green, totally forgot the name of it. Green, Jada color. Alright, so see that green light ear right there? That color right there. Alright, so dive in with the fingers and place that right on top like so. Look at the world of difference that makes, guys. I mean, that is unbelievable. I mean, if this isn't proof that glitter just solves everything, then I don't know what is. Alright, so yes, I know it's St. Patrick's Day and we gotta stick with the green theme, but I want to kind of break it up a little bit and add in a different color right where the dark green meets the lighter green and kind of break up the color, if you get what I mean. So this color is actually called Queen. A nice shimmery gold color. Again, I'm just using my fingers. I'm just gonna dab, not really swipe or smudge, but dab right where the two colors meet. Alright, for my lips, I'm gonna use the Bare Minerals in the color Perky. It's just a really nice nude color. Okay, so you can finish the look off by just going out like this, spray your setting spray, and then this is the St. Patrick's Day nighttime going out look. But to amp it up a little bit, we can also make it more St. Patrick's Day theme, you know what I mean? So let's throw on maybe some clovers on your face, some pot of gold, whatever you want. Draw some stuff on your face, and then it would really be a St. Patrick's Day look. So let's do some artwork on our face. Alright, so like I said, you can either go without the clovers on your cheeks or go with the clovers on your cheek. I went ahead and put on some clovers on this side, and I put on one lucky 4-leaf clover right over here. So, if you like makeup looks like this, where I show you like different holiday makeup looks or just doing makeup tutorials in general, go ahead and click the like button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you haven't already, click subscribe. What are you waiting for? And of course, this is the end of the video, so I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!